So it's Friday, it's the first day of competition. It's 5:30 in the morning. We're driving to our spot. We'll unload and pedal for about 15, maybe 20 minutes tops. So that's about a mile to get on a main lake point. So this is what they would call a community hole. It's a point where there's basically year-round fish. Points, especially really defined points like this, are a really great place for bass to ambush bait that's being forced up and down the main river.
Alright, it's just past 7 a.m. Poles are in the water. The fishing started at 7 sharp. We were about 25 minutes behind getting in the water today.
Alright, we'll try that point. But I started fishing and then I moved to the Outer Banks, and there was a rep who said, "Let's go kayak fishing." And I was like, "Kayak fishing? That sounds stupid and dangerous." And he said, "No, man, it's awesome. You're gonna love it." And we paddled out and we caught a bunch of speckled trout. There was definitely a zen moment where I felt like me and the boat and the water and the fish and everything were somehow connected, and I fell in love with it. Just a bad launch. This is what's called fishing dirty.
They're on the point we wanted to go on.
Oh, no kidding.
When you're fishing clean, you're on your spot, your casts are clean, your timing's good. They're on the bottom. When they're on the bottom like this, maybe a jig. When you're fishing dirty, things, stuff breaks, you're not where you want to be on time. Fish on.
Yep.
It's like golf. When you catch a big fish, didn't matter what the rest, just like when you make a birdie, the 6 double bogeys that you made before it disappear. They're gone. And now you're thinking about, when can I play again? Whereas before, a second earlier, you were ready to break your golf clubs.
Oh, no. No.
Same thing in fishing. You were ready to throw your fishing rod over. Now I catch a donkey, and now I'm ready to fish tomorrow.
You guys passed me, went for that point, but that boat was on it. And then I was playing around in that boat with the point. He was on the other side, I was on one side. I got a nibble, nothing. He didn't hook.
Started pretty slow. I didn't catch my first fish until about 9 a.m. It was a 16-incher. And then I didn't catch a damn thing until about noon.
But then I went back down to where I got a bite when you were near me.
Yeah.
And I got hooked into. That's where I hooked into 3.
Yeah.
And lost one right at the boat.
I rigged up a drop shot and 19 feet, 19.5 feet. Found a school of fish and just couldn't put one in before I got the other one out, so it was pretty good. Turned out to be good. Nothing big. 11, 12, 13s, nothing too big, but I got 5, so that's what counts.